Hello everyone. Today we'll be making this very simple and easy dish called shakshuka in less than 30 minutes. This is a classic North African and Middle Eastern dish. Let's look at the ingredients. For this recipe, you will need 1 whole red onion, 2 tomatoes, capsicum, three or 4 cloves of garlic, and some fresh cilantro. I like to arrange everything I need on my countertop before I start cooking so that everything is always reachable and accessible when I need them. Now let's grab some spices. For this recipe, we will need chili powder, cumin powder, chili flakes, salt, and sugar. Let's start cooking. Turn on your stove at medium heat. Pour in the olive oil. Once the oil has been heated, start stir frying the onions. Once the onions have become translucent, then add in garlic and capsicum. The reason we do not add all 3 ingredients together is to avoid the garlic from getting burned. Saute everything in the pan and let it simmer for about 3 minutes. Now add in all the spices. Add in 1.5 teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well. At this point, your nose is about to get hit with a really nice aroma. Add in some tomato puree and mix everything in the pan together. And it should look something like this. Next, pour the canned tomatoes into the pan along with the fresh tomatoes. Mix them thoroughly. Now close the lid and lower the fire. Let it simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes. Next, add in some sugar. Just a quick note, sugar and salt are to be added based on your own preference. In this recipe, I've added 2 heaping teaspoons of brown sugar. On to the most important thing. Don't forget to taste. Alright, we are almost done. Make 6 holes and break all the eggs into the pan like so. Close the lid and let it simmer 3 to 5 minutes on low fire. Once the eggs are cooked as your preference, add in some black pepper. The next step is optional. Add in some cheese above the eggs. For me, a little bit of cheese adds the extra oomph to anything. Close the lid and let the cheese melt. Finally, sprinkle the cilantro and voila! The shakshuka is done. When serving, scoop out the egg along with the tomato gravy. This dish is best served with toasted bread. Let's prepare the bread. Once the bread is done, serve it with the dish. Here's an added bonus. I've prepared a drink to be enjoyed with the shakshuka. It's a mixture of pink guava cordial with Sprite and ice. Here's another bonus content. Dave trying this dish and loving it. This is a very simple and delicious recipe that I'm sure your family would like. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!